Hi, you're very welcome. And in this video, what I want to look at is how I'm actually going to create a set of icons or traffic light system for my quantity column. So I have my criteria here. Basically want to say green for its values above or equal to 9. Between 4 and 9 I want it to be, and you see there I put in a 5, I want it to be orange, and 4 and under I want it to be a red light. So what I'm going to do first of all is use this as a template. So click here, conditional formatting, go down to icon sets. I'm just going to choose this icon set here. Okay. Then my next step is to go up to conditional formatting and actually to adjust the rules that Excel has created to reflect what I'm looking for. So I click down here and I go to edit rule. The first thing I do is I change my type from percent to number, because if I don't, what Excel will do is that if, for example, if I put something in value and then change the type, Excel overwrites what I have in the value, sets it back to 0. So I click up here on this one. There's my 9. I then go down to this one down here and I change this to number as well. And I'm just going to change this to 4. Okay. And I'm just going to change this as well so that it's kind of greater than that. So I want it to be less than or equal to what I put in here, which is going to be a 4. All right. And if you note here, there's an option that says show icon only, which I'll come back to later. But I just want to click here on this one, click OK, and then click apply, and then click OK. All right, so this has the format that I want. Okay. Now I'm going to do one other thing here, which is I'm now going to use my format painter to copy the formatting from this one onto this one. So I highlight these 3 here. I click on my little format painter over here. And then what I do is I just kind of scroll all the way down to my price, which of course I shouldn't have done. Clicked OK. No harm again. Click here on this one. Click on my brush and then I highlight my quantity column all the way down. Imagine that I'm kind of painting it all the way to the bottom. And see there it's applied my formatting to it. Okay. Now the last bit of this that I want to show you is that if I click in here and I go to conditional formatting and I say manage rules and then edit rule again, I can just tick the box here that says show icon only, click OK, and then apply and OK. And you see then it actually comes up so that all you see, the numbers are kind of hidden here, but kind of like the little icons are here as well. All right. And of course the last bit, if I want to, click here, go to data, go to filter. And what I could do then is click up here and let's say what I could do is let's say sort. So that's what I'm looking for. So click on sort up here and see sort by, there's my quantity column. And this time I can choose, let's say, by conditional formatting icon. There's the red one there. If I go copy level, I could choose my orange one, which is here. Copy level again, choose the green one. And this will basically sort my list into order of icon. You actually have to give it the order. There's no kind of natural color palette formatting on it. So there it is. If I scroll all the way down, there's all my red. Things are not looking good here. Down to orange, and only a few little random little lads at the bottom, green ones. All right, so that just gives you an idea of how you could also use your conditional formatting, all right, to sort as well. Hope you found this useful. Take care. Bye.